Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix video stuttering and lagging issues on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the videos lagging issue on your Windows 10 or 11, then try these steps and it will fixes your issues. So first method is you have to just click on the start menu, then click on settings. Here you will type troubleshoot. Click on this troubleshoot setting. Click on other troubleshooters. Scroll down. Here you will find video playback. You have to just click on this run. Or if there is any media player problem, you can try this option also, Windows Media Player. You can click on run. You have to wait for some time. Here you can see open video playback setting. Select this option. Just wait, it loads completely. After you can try select other options. Just select no and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After that, still you are facing the issue, click on this app. Here you will find video playback. Click on this. After that, here you will find save network bandwidth by playing video at a lower resolution. You have to just enable this option. After that, just close this window. Click on this search menu. Then type here graphics. Click on this graphics setting. Select the app which you are facing the issue. Click on that. Click on option. Then select high performance. Then click on save. And check. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix video stuttering and lagging issues on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.